Python is a versatile language and there are many tips and tricks that can help you write cleaner, faster and more maintainable code. Here are some useful ones. Trick number 1. Flatten the list. We have a list object that is containing a item as a list. You see, we have item of list as a list. We are going to flatten this a object in a simple list. We have used itr tool module and one chain class. From that class we are using one function from iterable which will doing nothing, it's converting all list object into a single list. Okay, if you run the program you will see all the items from this list is now flattened into a single list, but it will not work if you have one more item of sublist into a main list, right? If you run the program it will not flatten all the level of list item. Now let's move to our next trick, that is reverse a list. Here we have a list object that is a type of string values. We are going to reverse these all list items from right to left. Okay, we have used here slicing techniques which is doing nothing but it will start from -1 index. Okay, if you run the program your all string list items are being reversed now. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's see our trick number 3, combining different list. We have two list object A and B. With help of zip function, we are going to combine both the list parallelly. If you run the program, you will see AE, BF, CG, DH. But make sure if you are not having equivalent item in any of the object that will not include in this iteration. If you run the program, so you will see only equivalent indexes are being considered, right? Or if you add here, it will work same as previous, right? U is not getting considered. Now let's see our trick number 4, negative indexing list. We have one array that we are going to iterate from right to left. So negative indexing starts from right, -1, -2, -3, -4. We are going to start from -3 to -1. That is our starting point and that is our ending point. Okay, if you run the program, so you will see 8 and 9. It started from -3, 1, 2, 3. This is very useful tricks when we are going to start from negative index. Now let's move to our next trick, that is analyzing the most frequent on the list. We have a list object that is containing a repeated item in this. So we are using a max function here, then we have used set, and then we are counting most frequent repetitive items. Okay, and we will get only a single value. If you run the program you will see 4. Trick number 6, that is reverse the string. We have a string value coding. So coding will be reversed if you run the program. So you will see coding is reversed. All characters are reversed from this string with the help of this string slicing. Now let's see our trick number 7, splitting the string. We have a string value. Python is a programming language. This string we are going to split in a list object, right? String.split function has been used here which will actually return you the list of string. Okay, if you run the program, by default space is being considered as a splitter, as a delimiter. Now let's see our trick number 8, that is printing out multiple values of string. So here we have this string python and that we are going to print multiple times. We are using asterisk symbol here and then we are using one plus string concatenation. Then again we have different string java and that java string is going to print twice if you run the program. So you will see python 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 java java. Okay, if you change the value python 4 times, then python word would be printed on the console 4 times, right? Python python. So this is very helpful techniques when you are going to replicate same string value multiple times on the console or multiple times in your project. Okay, now let's move to our trick number 9, that is creating a single string from list object. This is also another important trick. We have some string list. These list items we are going to club into a single string. With help of join function on the string, we will be able to do, right? Any number of string it concatenate. As argument, it will take iterable object. And what it will return? It will return a string. If you run the program, so you will see coding news today will be concatenated into a single string, right? You will see it is returning a single string. Now let's move to our next trick, that is trick number 10. So we have some anagram words, and with the help of this function, we will see whether two strings are anagrams or not. A anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of another word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once, right? You could see we have value taste and we have state. This is a function we have used. So with the help of this module, with the help of this class, we are going to count that the words are anagrams or not. If you run the program, so you will see two values, true and true, because all the characters are rearranged and they say these are anagrams word. If I put any different character here, then it will show false, because these both strings are not then anagrams. So these are top 10 coding tricks which can help you write cleaner, faster and more maintainable code. Okay.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.